Are you looking for the best stretch mark cream in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best stretch mark cream that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. MOTHERLOVE Organic Sitz Stretch Mark Cream, 2FZ. This is an essential product to have after childbirth. It has been made to soothe your skin in order to restore its original beauty. 2FZ has been 100% USDA certified, which implies that it is of good quality. If any issue arises after purchasing, a full refund is offered. What's more, it comes at a friendly price. At number 4. Tulip Natural Stretch Mark for Skin Firming, 4 ounces. This is a very well-known name in the industry that has been proven to work. If you are experiencing some stretch marks during pregnancy, this is the ideal solution. It has lifetime satisfaction which guarantees its quality. It comes in a very good package, which will deliver the cream so well. At number 3. Honeydew Natural Stretch Mark Cream, UV Damage Wrinkle Repair. This cream has been formulated using caffeine in order to alleviate any cellulite appearance. The good thing about this product is that it can be used by both men and women. It has no fragrances added and you can, therefore, be guaranteed of good results. At number 2. Botanic Tree Stretch Mark Cream. This cream doubles up like a preventive cream despite being a stretch mark cream. It comes from a reputable company and with its high-quality ingredients, you can expect good results. It has been made of organic extracts which are known to work. A money-back guarantee has been provided to guarantee the quality of the product. At number 1. Hayden and Olivia Stretch Mark Cream for Pregnancy. This is yet another cream you can try out to get rid of stretch marks. It uses organic ingredients which have been tested and proved to be good for most skin types. The manufacturer has total confidence in this product, hence the warranty of 1 year. It is fragrance-free as well for those who have some allergic reactions. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.